Google just made a major move in the AI space, and it's about to change how you use your smartwatch, TV, car, and even XR headsets. The company is officially rolling out its Gemini AI assistant to Wear OS smartwatches, Google TV, Android XR, and Android Auto. Yes, Gemini is going far beyond phones, and it's all part of Google's plan to replace Google Assistant across all its devices. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting us know how you'd use Gemini in your daily life. Let's start with Wear OS smartwatches. Gemini is coming to your wrist in the next few months, giving you access to powerful AI exactly when you can't, or don't want to, reach for your phone. Picture this. You're mid-bike ride or elbow deep in cookie dough and you just say, "Remind me I'm using locker 43 today." And Gemini takes care of the rest. You don't need to phrase things perfectly either. Gemini understands natural conversation and taps into your apps so it can answer real-time questions, like finding info about a restaurant your friend just emailed you about without interrupting your workout. Next up, Google TV. Gemini will roll out to the platform later this year, and it's bringing personalized content recommendations with it. Say you're looking for action movies that are kid-friendly. Gemini can filter the list for you. And if your kids are curious about the solar system, they can ask Gemini, and it might just pull up a perfect educational YouTube video on the spot. Google is also expanding Gemini to Android XR, its new platform for extended reality devices like headsets and smart glasses. The first Gemini-powered XR experience will be with Samsung's Project Muhan headset, which is expected to launch later this year. Imagine planning a vacation by simply asking Gemini and getting surrounded by immersive maps, videos, and local insights, all while wearing a headset. According to Google's product director Gwemi Kim, Gemini helps you build an entire itinerary in just minutes, creating a rich and interactive planning experience. And if that wasn't enough, Gemini is also coming to Android Auto soon. This means you'll be able to ask Gemini to find a charging station that's on your way to the post office, and maybe near a park. It'll also summarize your messages, give you quick news updates, and make your time behind the wheel smarter and more efficient. With these updates, Google is turning Gemini into the central AI brain across all its platforms. From your wrist to your TV, your car to your XR headset, Gemini is designed to be there when and where you need it, without the friction. Curious how Gemini compares to other AI assistants, or want to see how it's being used in other devices? Make sure to check out the related video in the corner.